right, taking a look at this week's show, a 5-minute informative show. For Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you are going to be working on script development, and that is due at the end of your virtual learning day on April 14th. Now, when we talk about script development, the word script can be taken many different ways. What one person thinks of as a script, another person might view a little differently in terms of the detail and the markings. And honestly, for what I'm looking for and for what I'm hoping for you to accomplish with this assignment, the word script may not be the best word to describe it, because a script usually notes who is saying what, as well as other details. At this point, we do not need to be concerned with who is speaking at what time. So it's more of your information page, but I also didn't want to just call it your research or your information page, because I want to see it done in more of a script format, not just like bullet points of information. So in the beginning, it should be clear that it's an introduction to your I don't want to say a podcast, but an introduction to your informative show. If it's not the first kind of episode and you need to go back and kind of recap anything, it's apparent that you're thinking about your audience and kind of what they might or might not already know about the topic, like you're giving that little bit of a general background if they're just viewing your show for the first time. And then there is some type of conclusion, and that conclusion might talk about your next episode, when it's going to air again, whatever the case may be. So although I'm referring to it as a script, you don't have to have it noted as to who is speaking when, or any type of emotion or inflections or anything that you would see in a full-blown script. Or you don't have to be suggesting what the visual is at this point, but it is more than just your general research. It's typed out in a communicative language as if you were having a conversation with someone. Questions on that? All right. I will be creating the assignment, and although you already have a document started, I will ask you to copy and paste this information into that document. And the reason I ask you to do that is so I can view your development. So if I want to put any comments on them later today or tomorrow or whatnot before they're due, that I can put comments on there. So I will be making that assignment. Have a good one, and make sure if you have questions, you reach out. Thanks.